raining so much right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining like crazy out there. It's nuts. They're calling it an atmospheric river that's passing over us right now. That can't be good, right? Hopefully you can hear everything else that I say in this video. Hi, my name is Katie, and this is the How to Be Minimalist YouTube channel. I'm gonna keep on filming because I have to, but it is nuts, and I hope you can hear me over the rain. I suppose I won't use it if you can't hear me, so if it's out, apparently in my editing, I figured that you can just join me in this atmospheric river rafting ride we're going on. So I'm really wanting a snack right now, and we ran out of propane, so I can't use the oven. A little bit of a problem. I want something salty, and I also have been working on maximum weight loss and using most of the standards from the Starch Solution book by Dr. McDougall. So I've got all these little stipulations that I have to follow, things I'm eating, things I'm not eating, and I want a snack. I have really not been eating very many snacks lately, so it's kind of weird, but it's Christmas time, and I feel like if I don't make a snack, then I'm gonna eat some of the delicious looking caramel that my friend brought over. I'm saving that for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day because I'm going to allow myself to have some treats those days, and I'm going to go ahead and make the tortilla chips. I am going to go ahead and make some tortilla chips, but I'm going to use my griddler because I don't have the oven. If you want to make these, you can totally bake them in your oven. You can make them in an air fryer. Just, I don't know, check your cooking times. You're going to have to just keep an eye on it, but I have baked them very successfully in the oven before. You just have to flip them over halfway through and they taste great. So let's get cooking. Okay, I have a lemon. I'm gonna use probably half of that for corn tortillas. I make sure that these don't have any added fat. I also have onion powder, paprika, and I have my lovely garlic salt grinder. I love this thing. If you don't have this though, just use garlic powder and salt. Or if you're salt-free, then don't add the salt, just do garlic powder. I know it might seem like a lot of lemon, but it just seems to get baked in there. Also, I sometimes do this with lime juice. That's really good. Also, I know that seems like a lot of seasonings, but I tell you what, half of it seems to fall off into the bowl, but do it however you want. You might just want salt, and if that's the case, you can just kind of lightly wet them with water and skip the lime juice or lemon juice, and yeah, just get them a little bit wet with maybe a tablespoon or two of water and sprinkle with salt, and then you're good to go. Definitely gonna have to cook these in 2 batches. I could have left the griddler open, but I want them to have that little grilled panini look. See this? That's a bad sign. At this point, it should just not be on at all because there's nothing left. I think the key is to make sure that you cook them until that steam quits lifting out the back if you're going to use the griddler. Both sides are nicely browned. If they don't get all the way browned, like this one's actually not super browned on that side, it's not going to end up being crunchy. This one, perfect. Also let them cool completely before you eat them. It'll make them crisper. And there you have it, a low-fat, plant-based snack that is crunchy, and that's a good sized bowl for a snack. I served it with a little bit of my hummus, which I will link down below, and it is delicious.